I got some deliveries, and this time it is from The Giant. The Giant is Cebu's first Samgyupsal in a box. Yes, you heard it right. It is a ready-to-eat Samgyupsal in the box. So they have this pork Samgyupsal as well as they have this beef shortplate. The inclusions in the box includes the lettuce, green chili and garlic, the cooked meat which is around 200 grams, samjjang, and the melted cheese. Yes, samjjang and melted cheese. You can have this pork cut bacon box for 210 pesos. As well, also you can have this beef shortplate box for 230 pesos only. And what I really like na muhatag yung kudos og thumbs up sa ilahang packaging sa ilahang lettuce because it is really fresh. Gisud siya sa plastic, then it is being sealed. So wala siya nalata, dili sa siya basa. So see, it is really fresh. In the box, you can have 4 side dishes. You can have side dish A, which includes kimchi, macaroni salad, spicy dakbal, and gamja jorim. Or you can have the side dish B, which includes spicy fried noodles, spicy dakbal, kimchi, and buttered corn. And for that, mga ona data guys, lami jud kaayo. I don't know, I haven't eaten samgyupsal for quite some time, and this one, it's really perfect. Don't have to go out, dili na ka dapat mag-init or magluto, naa na siya sa box, and naa na tanan. And lami kaayo lang spicy fried noodles, I don't know why. And I don't really eat chicken feet, pero ilang chicken feet lami jud kaayo. Plus the kimchi too. Ngaon na ta guys, beef with samjjang, then pork with cheese in one. Lami jud kaayo. Thank you so much, The Giants. And all the side dishes too was really lami good. Kani sa macaroni salad niya na cucumber, so refreshing. Perfect yun siya para sa meat. Wala ni lettuce o meat na lang. Before I forget to order, just message The Giant in Facebook and in Instagram. And please don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts. And please continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep on smiling. Bye-bye!